To other news now, the Refuge Home of Safety in Content Gap St. Andrew says the drought is affecting the stay of 57 wards. The facilities director, Michael Grant, says all their storage tanks are now dry and immediate help is needed for the children. Kirk Wright reports.
Summer for the 57 wards at the City of Refuge Home of Safety is usually a time to play and create stronger bonds. But for the staff, it means finding money they don't have to provide water, a commodity that's crucial to keeping the home operational.
In 2023, we purchased water to the amount of just over 500,000 Jamaican dollars.
Over what period?
And that was over about 3 months, June, July, and August. I think May touch into September or thereabout. Because again, with this many children, and then we had 66 children then, now it's 57. And you know that with clothes and all of that, was quite a bit. Last year, our bill to purchase water was just over 270,000 because the drought was not as severe last year as the year before.
According to the director, Michael Grant, there is no record of the National Water Commission coming to their aid during the dry times.
For the 22 years, we have never gotten a load of water from the NWC. But yet, all of these years, we have been paying our bill.
Despite the forecast for rain, it remains dry in the hills, which has resulted in extra piles of clothing around the compound, and less of these freshly washed linen.
Now, this part of the facility is where the older boys stay. And again, here we have another pile of clothes waiting to be washed. However, they were able to wash just a few pieces this morning and still waiting for more water to get the other pieces washed.
But for any further washing and domestic activity to take place, the facility will have to somehow find the money to continue purchasing water. For the director, not only have their funds run dry, but so too their storage containers.
Now, this platform is where the well is for the facility here, and it holds 17,000 gallons of water. Now, I'm going to do a simple check to find out what's happening inside. Water check, water check. Now, the fact that I could hear my voice echoing after giving that check tells me that there is little or no water inside. And that's a problem they're having here at the City of Refuge, the shortage of water.
So we're asking kindly if NWC can assist us, even once per week, with a truckload of water. With this many children, you need water, and a whole lot of water. We have reached out to so many people, but to date, nobody. I know for sure that the CPFSA would have reached out to NWC time and again, on our behalf, but still nothing.
When contacted, the NWC Communications Manager, Delano Williams, says he will look into the matter and provide a response. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.